Hello, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Adab. This is Anshul here from Car Pro Services, your family car workshop. So I hope everybody is safe indoors, taking care of yourself and taking care of your family members. And while we are doing all that is needed, there's another important family member जिसका ख्याल हमें रखना है, and that is your family car, your family vehicle. So today I'm going to share 6 points of precautions that you can use, few of which will help you in maintaining your vehicle during this time of lockdown. So I'll start off. The first point of precaution is that once a week, just start the ignition of your vehicle. Just start your car and let it be in that state for 5 minutes. क्योंकि होता क्या है कि जब आप अपनी गाड़ी चालू नहीं करते हैं, आपकी बैटरी ड्रेन ऑफ होने का रिस्क होता है. तो जिस दिन आपको अपनी गाड़ी अगर मतलब बोलते हैं ना कहीं जाना होगा, कहीं स्टार्ट करना होगा, तो उस दिन इट इज़ पॉसिबल कि वो गाड़ी चालू ना हो. सेकेंड पॉइंट ऑफ प्रिकॉशन इज दैट वंस यू डू दैट, जस्ट ऑन योर AC and roll your window panes down and let it be like that for few minutes. Third point of precaution is that while you have आपने जब गाड़ी का इंजन चालू कर दिया है, just lower your hand brake, take your vehicle a bit front, फिर थोड़ा आप reverse ले लो and then you can pull your hand brake. Now this is needed because what happens is that for a long time when you don't move the vehicle, disc में आपकी जो गाड़ी का डिस्क होता है उसमें some kind of rusting or erosion is possible. So doing this basically avoids this situation. Your fourth point of precaution is that check for any inflammable material inside your car. So if you have a cigarette lighter, if you have a matchbox, or if you have any inflammable material which is there inside your car, please remove it. Your fifth point of precaution is that your wiper, which is is sleeping and it's in contact with your windshield, just take it outside and pull it towards yourself. Basically it should not be in touch with your windshield, because the rubber of your wiper, it can basically, the condition of it can deteriorate over a period of time if you're not moving your vehicle, since you're not cleaning your windshield on a regular basis, it's constantly in touch with your windshield. Lastly, your sixth point of precaution is that put your AC in the recirculation mode. So there are various modes in your vehicle. One of that is where the air is circulated within your vehicle. So put it to that mode and just ensure that all your window panes are up. Now this is because you need to avoid any kind of rodents or rats entering your car, because if they enter your car they can really damage your vehicle from within. So take these basic precautions, these basic care, and I'm sure your vehicle will be all right and ready for the day this whole lockdown gets over and you really want to go out. And if your vehicle still gives you any kind of problem, Car Pro Services is there at your doorstep to assist you, to inspect your vehicle and probably take care of it. So in case if you want to do that, our number is 8452 844 212. I'll repeat it once more. It's 8452 844 212. Till then, take care and have a great day ahead. And thank you for these few precious minutes that you gave. Thank you so much.